Hey guys, today we got a product that we've been kind of wanting to try out. We have the Cycplus AL7 Smart Tire Inflator.
Yeah, we're gonna check it out on our truck. This is something that this company has kind of just put out for SUVs and truck-sized tires. They have a lot of pumps for cycling and whatnot, so we're excited to check out this product on our off-road vehicle. Let's open it. We got, of course, the manual, and here's the actual pump. This thing is cool. It's like super light. You got the handle. Just kind of can rock around with it like it's a lunchbox or something. Nothing else is in the box. This is cool. This thing has all the guts just right in this compartment. You got the actual inflator cable tube. We got the USB-C cable. You got the right angle Schrader valve. You got the Presta valve, and you got the valve for soccer balls, footballs, all the sports things.
There's one more hidden right here, another valve. This thing is pretty small. It's 6.5 square, 3.5 thickness, and 2.8 pounds. With a carry handle, this thing is really light. So to use it, turn it on. Maybe a little bit hard to see in the sun right here, but you have a dial to set your pressure that you want it. There's some quick settings that we'll go through, but it's really cool. Really easy to set your target pressure. And there's also a light in the front. Whoa, that's great. All right, let's get to it. I like to keep a tire pump in any vehicle that we have. This is just a Ryobi I've had for many years, but this thing is so much bigger than this guy right here. But we're just gonna do a head-to-head comparison, deflate the tires down to 20 and see how long it takes to go up to 32. So we're gonna use this guy to set us down to 20 on both tires on this passenger side. So we have an even playing ground.
What was it at when we started?
31.5. It's gonna take a while.
You guys let us know in the comments if you know of any good like airing down gauge so we don't have to keep doing it this way. Let us know in the comments.
Okay, let's just go with that.
Nice. On the dot?
On the dot. That's how we're gonna call it 20. Keep on losing tire stem caps. What can you do? Make them red.
No, we need magnetic ones. All right.
What's it at now?
30.5, but I let some out, so.
Nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, don't go too far now, right?
Okay. All right.
We're ready to play games.
Which one do you want to do, Ryobi or Cycplus?
What do you want to do?
I kind of want to do the Ryobi.
Old Faithful?
Yeah.
Loyal?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. I'll do Cycplus.
Okay. I'm going to do the Ryobi.
I'm going to do Cycplus.
Let's go.
We got our timer going and we're gonna see which is better. You know, I thought it would be a little bit quieter, the Cycplus. It is just as loud.
Things are going. They look like a kind of head-to-head.
Yeah, and we can see how they do comparatively.
That's true. Let's see which one's gonna come out on top.
We are 1 minute in so far.
Okay, that thing is for sure faster.
Really? What's the Ryobi at?
26.5.
Wow.
This is already 29. What's the time at?
We are not even at 2 minutes yet. Oh my gosh, Abby.
Whoa, it's slowing down. Trying to get us to 32 exact. Oh, I like that.
Can you see it?
Yeah. $32. Let's see if it stops.
Okay.
It probably does like one more PSI.
Nice.
There it is. Okay, 238.
Yep.
Ryobi still going. Oh, Ryobi's not even, it's struggling.
Really? So Ryobi took 4 minutes 14 seconds to go up 12 psi, while Cycplus took 2 minutes and 38 seconds to go up 12 psi. It blasted the Ryobi away. Out with the old and in with the new. Just kidding, that's been faithful. We won't get rid of it, but this might be our new vehicle pump.
I'm really curious if you need some top off.
All right, so it's kind of cool. There's different settings. Right now it's on the bicycle setting, but if you click through, hey, scooter. If you click through, you can go through all of them, so basketball, but we will leave it on the SUV vehicle one.
Guess there was a little bit of top off needed.
This is the last major review point of this pump for us because we have the hybrid Tacoma, so we have absolutely no storage in the cab of the truck. But look, it fits in here so perfectly. As Johnny said, he loves to have air pump in the vehicles, and I know it's for a good reason, but I hate when that big Ryobi pump is just like rolling around or it's in the bed of the truck making all the noise. So this is a win-win for marriage right here. A good compromise.
So this thing was so cool. It blew out the 18-volt Ryobi straight out of the water. And right now this thing is charging my phone because it's dead. Just found out that you could actually use it as a power bank. That's a win.
Yeah, it's different light settings, which is kind of cool. We're picturing ourselves using it as a power bank and a light source for when we're camping. We're super impressed, and this feels like something that we could actually use on the trail when we're airing down and need to air back up.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about what are we going to do. Do you have to limp to a gas station? We could air all the way back up, 4 tires, and still have enough battery for whatever we need to do.
Anything else?
I think that's it. Let's pack this thing up and go home.